Aloha guys, this is Aqua Ninja and Google has allowed me to actually show you their API for the camera application. This is a new one that's going to come with the new version of Android N, and I'm actually going to show you some of the cool features that you're going to get inside of it. As you can see, one of the biggest changes is how fast the focus thing is, and it actually expands to let you know when your focus point is at its peak. Using whatever aperture your phone has. This is the Nexus 6P, so it has a 2.0 aperture. Pretty good. The aesthetics of the shutter button is a little bit different. It doesn't have the blue outline anymore. That's cool. The animations of everything is nicely revised, as you can see. The little swoosh when it does that, like everything kind of is just one solid motion, which I love about it. And one of the biggest changes, which even Android preview people can see now, is the slow motion button has its own dedicated button. Before you had to go into the video and see it, now it has its own button. It has 120 and 240 frames respectively, but what makes this really awesome is that 240 frames is actually the actual resolution. So you're gonna actually be able to get 240 frames clarified. And if you notice that the resolution is a slightly lower than if you use 120. I use these boxes of cereal just as a reference point, max zoom, and that is because it is it's actually really giving you that 240 frames. So to give you the slow motion effect and things like that, it needs to slightly crop it out and slow it down a little bit more, so it's gonna drop in resolution just a touch. But essentially all of the settings are slightly dark in terms of tint. You can see right there. Really small aesthetic change. But that's actually all the changes that I've noticed in the new camera API. You guys shout me out. Tell me what type of videos you want to see with Android, whether it be from applications or maybe modules or coding, or maybe you want to see how to make your own personal app. Just write it in the comments below, and all of you guys have an Aqua Day.